Welcome to this rare 4-bedroom end-unit townhome in Sherwood. Backing to a peaceful green space, you're just steps from direct access to the Cedar Creek Trail, a paved off-street path perfect for walking, running, and cycling. And you're only minutes from nearby shopping and everyday conveniences. Inside, the open main floor is bright and inviting, with a cozy gas fireplace and easy care vinyl flooring throughout the main living spaces. Head outside to the private fenced deck and enjoy the quiet green space setting behind the home. The kitchen is designed for function and style, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island, and plenty of cabinet storage. The dining area features beautiful built-ins, perfect for entertaining. Upstairs, the primary bedroom suite includes tray ceilings and comfortable updated carpet, plus a well-appointed full bath and 2 large walk-in closets. The generous 4 bedrooms offer a flexible layout, home office space, or whatever fits your lifestyle. This home has been pre-inspected with repairs completed, so it's truly move-in ready. The deck offers an ideal space to relax, enjoy morning coffee, or a quiet moment surrounded by nature. Before we go, here's another look at the Cedar Creek Trail, one of the best features of this location, right outside your door. With its rare 4-bedroom layout, end-unit privacy, and peaceful green space setting, this home is a standout in Sherwood. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group.